guys, we're here at Throttle Junkie Tuning today. As you can see, you have the street car strapped down on the Dyno jet. We just finished up an oil change using Champion brand's new Coyote specific muscle oils, 5W50. It's their modern muscle high performance motor oil. So we just got the oil change, got it strapped down the dyno, getting ready to get some base numbers out of the car and see how she does. I'll let you know how that run goes. As a matter of fact, I'll add that into the video and then we'll show how the baseline numbers went. From there, our guys at CJ Pony Parts sent out the new PMAS, correct me if I'm wrong here, PMAS, however we gotta say it, their new velocity quarter intake. Gonna get it installed after, get out of here, B. After we do our baseline numbers, gonna get the intake installed and see what kind of numbers we pick up. This one does require a tune, so we're gonna have not only the quarter intake on there, we're also gonna have a tune, so we'll definitely see some horsepower and torque gains. I'm kind of anxious to see what it does, because right now it's untuned. The only thing that's done to it, performance-wise, is just our LTH exhaust, long two headers all the way back. So we'll be back here shortly with some baseline numbers. With the new intake and the new tune, I'm hoping it makes in the low 400s. I don't know. We'll see how this how the combo works, and hopefully it works well together. Because I'd like to see some really nice NA numbers before we put the blower on it. Alright, so anyway, that was our last run. Nick just got done tuning it. You can probably hear the ghost cams in it. Call it what you want. I think it's cool. I always like the cam feeling. These things don't make a whole lot of more power on adding cams anyway, so it's the best of both worlds for me. I'm not spending the money and it sounds good, so I like it. Also, it did pick up